Gintly on the Suzuki, Happy Siren, the battered brute.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Quattro's down! He's at the Vidio! Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati with the high slide. Down he went, all the factory Ducatis clattered in, believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Vizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
for Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Vizioso. Marc Marquez now has
and the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
for Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Vizioso. Marc Marquez now has
the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's winced
the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
for Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Vizioso. Marc Marquez now has
the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's wincing a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch. Sylvain Gintly on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the battered brute.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Quattro's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! There's unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati with a high slide. Down he went, all the factory Ducatis clattered in,
believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through battered brute.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Quattro's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! There's unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati with a high slide. Down he went, all the factory Ducatis clattered in,
believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to
the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here.
He's out here in Magello. What's going to happen?